Hey guys, it's Summer from Salty News Network. So today I'm very excited to be the chosen one to be unboxing what's probably the most expensive phone I've ever touched in my life. So in case you guys can't see what this box is, it's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. So initially this phone was bought as a surprise birthday present, but terms and condition is that we from Salty News Network get to unbox it first. Well, for a free phone worth 8,000 ringgit, if it's me, by all means, unbox liao, then give it to me. Okay, so let's hop into unboxing it. Let's do this. Okay, this, if I'm not wrong, this should be the instruction manual. I'm right. So in case those of you who don't know how to use phone, not here to see this. Change the shape of the future. I got welcome notes some more. How 贴心 ah. Let me read it to you guys. For those of you who don't have the phone. Change the shape of the future. 改变未来景象. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. So this is how your MC works, okay? Next! It's the phone! It's the phone! I got care instructions, some more like baby like that. Ta-da. Okay, let's read. Let's see what they have. Do not press the screen or the front camera lens with hard or sharp objects such as pen or fingernail. Okay, keeping my fingernails off the phone. When folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as card, coin or keys placed between the screens. This device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquid or small particles such as water, coffee or sand. Coffee is water, right? Anyways. It is recommended that you do not remove the screen protector film and do not install other film or stickers. But I want a nice bling bling sticker, how? Never mind. Your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. Pacemakers. Oh, that means if I have a pacemaker, I cannot be like those, uncle put in the front pocket like that because I will die. If you have an implantable medical device, consult your physician before use. Well, first time I buy phone need to ask doctor. Hey doctor, can I buy this phone? Okay, so we are done reading the care instruction. Let's put the boxes aside and we proceed with peel point. Okay, here we go. Samsung has marketed this as a phone/tablet. So when you close it, it works like a normal phone, although the aspect ratio is a bit taller. And when you open it up, it becomes a tablet. Okay guys, so from my view, the crease actually looks pretty obvious. But then again, this could be because the phone is actually still off. I'm pretty sure that it's not going to be that obvious when the phone is on and when you are, on your YouTube, watching your videos and all that. So we'll check it out in a bit after we switch things on. Switch it on. Zoom. I felt it. I feel like those, freelance showgirls at the booth. So, the shape feels a bit alienish to me because it's so narrow and tall. Like, I can't even reach the top when I'm stretching my fingers, so it's not gonna be very nice to type on because it's so narrow. So, I guess you'll most probably be browsing Instagram, answering calls, or doing non-typing intensive stuff on this side. The inside, however, is where the magic really happens. So Samsung says that you can multitask with up to 3 apps in here, and yes, it seems to work perfectly. But I'm not sure if I really could get used to this squarish shape though. And also, you can use it on what Samsung calls the flex mode. You can put it like this, and then you can adjust the hinge at whichever angle you like. Kinda reminds me of my Nintendo DS collecting dust at home. And it reminded my director of her sofa at home. Ta-da! The sofa mode. It actually feels super solid. There's a good amount of resistance, and you can just feel this is a quality product. Now, let's take a look at the cameras. You have one on the inside, one at the front, and 3 at the back. So, for 8,000 ringgit, you get 5 cameras and 2 screens. Well, if you drop this, you get 2 phones too. That's what we call value for money, right? So, one cool thing that you can do is you can selfie with the back camera. All you need to do is just switch on the cover screen preview, ding, and you can see yourself. Oh, hello! This phone supports wireless charging too, but you will have to close it up before you place it on your wireless charger. So, what's my first impression of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2? Well, I feel like it's a very solid product because it feels like I'm holding a power bank worth 8K. Other than that, it looks very good and it feels nice to be able to hold it and flex it. The form factor is slightly questionable though, because I really can't get used to how narrow and tall the front screen is. And after you open it up, it's really wide and just doesn't feel like a traditional tablet to me. Multitasking is definitely a plus, though it feels like the apps aren't fully optimized to suit this rather unique aspect ratio yet. So, should you get the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2? Personally, I think there could only be one reason why you're getting this crazy expensive device lah. That is if you are a tech nerd who wants to be at the forefront of technological advancements. Or you just have too much money lying around your house and don't know where to spend it on. You can spend on me, birthday next month, okay? For 8,000 ringgit, I really don't see it as a practical device or one that is value for money at all. Sure, you can argue that you're getting 2 devices for one price, but then again, when it's not doing an outstanding job at being either a phone or a tablet, mostly due to its form factors, is it really something worth paying for? Well, it does come with a pair of kidneys in replacement for yours. And that's not even taking into account just how fragile this thing is. It has no IP resistance, recommends you to not peel off its pre-installed screen protector, has a huge warning reminding you to not put anything in between the screens. It's not exactly something that inspires confidence, you know. But hey, if you're someone that's really good at taking care of your stuff and you're looking for something that's really niche and unique, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is definitely a great conversation starter. So, what do you think about it? Is it a great piece of tech that we'll see more of in future? Or is it just a novelty that will cater into the very niche market? Let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next one. This is Summer from Salty News Network. It's time to return this to its rightful owner.